Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle I Four Stars Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 11th, 2023, almost weekend, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic, aka jigsaw puzzle, or binary, or Sudoku, yeah. And we have here the 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, this one you are interested. This one will be number 6905. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Nope, 24, correction. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Okay. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 4 3s. All right. 3 4s. 2 5s. 2 6s. 3 7s. 3 8s. And 2 9s. So the 3s are in majority. Can I start with 3? Yes. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3. 3 3. Okay. 3 3. 3 3 3. Yes, cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the middle row is the number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in the middle row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1, okay. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the middle row should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be down. Well. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. How about 7? Need a 7 there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below don't need. Oh wait, we have a pair. The 1 and the 7 in this row, the 1 and the 7 in the middle row, so the row below don't need 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. And now, 5. Yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 5 5 3 3 3 3 Yeah. 3. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Okay. We have a pair here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes. And the 5 in the last row. We have a 1 and a 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only two places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the rest. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2, 2, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. Okay. Interesting. And now. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for 8 should be down. Yeah. 8. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes. In this last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for 8. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. The 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay. 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. 4. 4. 3. Come on. 3. Well, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. Now only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this big square should be there. Alright. 4. 4. Then. Let me see. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. Oh, wait. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. 9 and a 5. Alright. How about these two missing numbers in this column? 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. 1 is missing. And 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the mid as third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Nope. 2 in this column. Last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. That means we need a 2 here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. And here can be 2, we have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. So the 2 in the second column could be here or there. Here or there, you see another 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay. For the 9, overlook this 9. For the 9, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for the mod. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. Yeah, 7. 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for numbers. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9, 9. Okay. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. We have a pair. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, there are only 3 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, you see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 6 in this first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the column next, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9 then. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. With all the 3s, no. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now. In the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 and 5, we have a 2 now in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Then We have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only two place level, the 7 should be here or there. We say 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. One box left in the second column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, we have 8 now in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. Complete. Surprising, yeah. 50 minutes. This one, the previous one, 18 minutes. So you cannot always tell about the printed digits, but in generally, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. So I'm faster than the previous Sudoku. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you for watching. It's not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars. Let me give this a 1. No, it's a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Well, again, thank you, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.